Number 1. 1975 Chevrolet Short Bed 4-wheel drive, $6,500, Franktown, Colorado. This 1975 Chevrolet Short Bed 4-wheel drive half-ton provides a solid starting point for a restoration or custom build. It features an automatic transmission along with desirable factory options such as air conditioning and tilt steering. Although the engine has a rod knock and will need rebuilding, the truck benefits from a new automatic transmission, new carburetor, upgraded intake components, headers, and a new exhaust system. With a clean title and classic square body styling, it offers an affordable entry into vintage 4-wheel drive ownership. Number 2. 1967 Ford Econoline pickup, $8,000, Vashon, Washington. This 1967 Ford Econoline pickup is a rare 5-window example with strong originality and significant recent investment. It is powered by a freshly rebuilt 170 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Numerous new and new old stock parts are included, such as glass, rubber seals, trim, lenses, and mirrors. With minimal rust, no major body damage, and a clean title, it is a highly desirable vintage utility vehicle suitable for restoration or enjoyable driving. Number 3. 1965 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed Stepside, $7,000, Turnpike area, California. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed Stepside reflects classic mid-1960s pickup styling in largely original condition. It is powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 engine with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The truck runs well and retains its original configuration, which is increasingly uncommon among early C10 models. With a clean title and attractive green paint, it is an excellent choice for collectors or those seeking an authentic vintage driver. Number 4. 1964 Ford Falcon Ranchero Deluxe, $8,500, San Fernando Valley, California. This 1964 Ford Falcon Ranchero Deluxe is a distinctive classic utility vehicle with performance upgrades. Originally built as a rare bucket seat 4-speed model, it now features a C4 automatic transmission and a strong-running 302 cubic inch V8 engine. Upgrades include long tube headers, aftermarket intake, front disc brakes, subframe connectors, and 15-inch Craigslist wheels. With no rust, a clean title, and current registration, it blends classic style with enhanced performance. Number 5. 1967 GMC K1500 4-wheel drive, $9,900, Berthoud, Colorado. This 1967 GMC K1500 long bed is a rugged 4-wheel drive pickup built for durability and torque. It is powered by a recently rebuilt 305 cubic inch V6 engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck runs and drives well and features classic 4-wheel drive capability. With a clean title and honest overall condition, it is well suited for collectors seeking a usable and character-rich vintage work truck. Number 6. 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $9,750, Alhambra, California. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a highly original 2-owner truck that retains its factory paint and trim. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and starts and moves, though it has been sitting and will need recommissioning. Rust is present in typical areas such as the rocker panels and roof drip rails, while the bed, wood floor, and bed rails remain in excellent condition. With a clean title and believed low mileage, it is an ideal candidate for preservation or period-correct restoration. Number 7. 1960 Ford F250 Flatbed Fire Truck, $8,500, Parker, Colorado. This 1960 Ford F250 flatbed was originally used as a grass-field fire truck and later served with a fire department. It is equipped with a V8 engine rebuilt in the early 1990s, though it has not been started in many years. Featuring a manual transmission and a clean title, this truck offers unique history and strong character. It is well suited for collectors interested in vintage service vehicles or distinctive restoration projects. Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet Custom Camper 3/4 ton, $15,000, San Jose, California. This 1966 Chevrolet Custom Camper 3/4 ton pickup, an exceptionally well-preserved example. It is powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Carefully maintained and later stored indoors, the truck shows very low displayed mileage and remains largely original. With excellent overall condition and a clean title, it is a premium classic truck with strong collector appeal. Number 9. 1970 Dodge D200 Camper Special Custom, $9,500, El Cajon, California. This 1970 Dodge D200 Camper Special is a heavy-duty classic pickup equipped with a numbers-matching 383 cubic inch V8 engine. It features a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear, heavy-duty cooling system, factory overload springs, and a Class 3 receiver hitch. The original interior is intact, all gauges function, and the truck runs and drives well. With extensive documentation, extra parts, and a clean California title, it is a very complete and capable vintage Dodge. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe, $10,000, Sharon, Wisconsin. This 1978 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe is a 3/4 ton square body pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with 4-bolt main construction. With under 60,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean title, it starts and runs well. The truck includes a new battery, nearly new tires, and the original tailgate. It offers classic late 70s styling, strong reliability, and excellent value for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a usable vintage truck.